Hello there. I have a new version of Little Chapters to share with you. This one is a travel inspired version of Little Chapters. What's super exciting about this project is the design. Yes, it's about memory keeping. It's about telling your story through photos in a different way. So if you like to scrapbook, this is a version of scrapbooking, except that it's in a different container, if you will. You add your photos to each of these little albums. The size for 5x7 and below. So 5x7, 4x6, and 3x4 photos. Of course, 2x3s, 2x2s in this super, super cute little compartment. We've got 12 of these booklets in the box. This box, you make it. You make this box. This box and these albums you make from chipboard, cardstock, P3 tape. You make it, my friends. I take you step by step through the process on how to create every single one of these booklets. Look at this one. You can put a photo right here. All sorts of super cute ways to display your photos. You can flip that over and take a look at that. I use various paper collections in this one. Quite a few travel inspired papers. You can find these papers in my shop. Look at how cute this top embellishment. How adorable is that? It says click, click, snap. So all of the booklets, there's 4 different designs in the booklets, and then you make 3 of each booklet to complete 12 of these booklets. Let me just show you another one. So here's a different design. This is style 2, and I have the Post-its there because I can never remember what the styles are. So this is style 2, and this one opens up like so. So what a fun way to display photos and to tell your story. When we go on vacation, we do multiple things. It would be fun to capture all of the moments in one of these little booklets per event. I love this idea. You can make this in so many themes. You can use this project for all sorts of themes. You can do a school version, something for your grandkids. You can do a wedding version in this album. These projects are themeless. The first time I showed this album, I showed a baby version. I would love to know your thoughts on this travel inspired version using these paper collections. I also added a really fun arm set to the front of the box just for a little added movement, some extra fun stuff. It's so much fun to see things like this in like this little file assembly. It's just adorable. I hope that you love this look. Right now I have a BOGO. You can get the paper collection and the project, buy one, get one free on my website, paperphenomenon.com. So I know you guys are going to ask, yes, I'm making kits for this project for you to make it exactly like mine with all of the paper collections that I used. These are in the shop right now. But, a very important but, they will show out of stock. That's because these are not ready to ship till about mid-September. If you hit the notify me, letting me know that you would like a kit, I will make sure to have enough kits to go around. Not that when I release it, they sell out quickly because I've only made an X amount of kits. That'll give me an idea about how many kits I need to make. That way I have enough to go around. Once the kits are in the shop, you will get an email that it's in the shop, and that will prompt you to check out. So if you want to make one of these beauties exactly like this one, you can head on over to my shop, paperphenomenon.com. Just look for Little Chapters Travel Kit, and you will see that as an option in my shop. And don't forget, hit the notify me. That way I'll know exactly how many kits to make, and I'll have enough to go around. Thank you so very much.